In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your engine cooling fan assembly on your Ford Taurus. It's located in front of the radiator. Using an 8mm socket or wrench, you're going to disconnect your negative battery terminal. Loosen it, and then put it off to the side. Make sure it's not touching any metal. You're going to use a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to lift your fuse box out of the way by pushing in these tabs and pulling up at the same time. Set that off to the side gently. So you should disconnect these first. This is broken, so we don't need to, but on yours you might. So disconnect that. Push in this tab on your connector right here. And then you're going to pull on the harness. So you're going to push in on that. And then you're going to disconnect the electrical connector. Put that off to the side. Gentle, you don't break the wires if they're brittle. Now we're going to use an 8mm socket and disconnect that bolt. This is the only bolt connecting the fan. Okay, once you've unbolted the fan, you can now slide it up. You might need to move your hose a little bit. And there you go. All right, so now we're going to install our engine cooling fan on the driver's side. I'm going to push down. All right, so you're going to slide it into the bracket below. Make sure it's secure, and then feed your bolt through. Okay, now you can tighten your bolt. Go about wrist tight. All right, so now we can connect our connector. Once it clicks, it's in. And now I've replaced my grommet tie down. So I'm gonna feed it through. Okay, so now we can snap our fuse box back in to our bracket. Make sure it's really in there. You're going to take your negative battery terminal and put it on. Push it down and use an 8mm socket. And tighten it wrist tight. Make sure it's not moving, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.